Today I'm going to show you how to replace the worn out straps on this N95. So you're going to tear apart the edge and completely remove the old blue strap. And we're going to replace it with two pieces of 1/2-inch elastic. One is 11 inches long and one is 15 inches long. So there's two sides to the mask. The side that has the nose piece, the pink side, you want that side to be facing up. So stack your elastic with the long piece on the top and the short piece on the bottom, and feed in the two pieces of elastic and make it flush with the edge of the mask. And I want the first clip right about the edge of the nose piece. Then flip it around, make sure your elastic does not have a twist in it. And you can carefully tuck the remainder of your elastic inside the mask. And I want the second clip right about the edge of the nose piece again. Okay. Now we're ready to sew. So we're going to use a 7mm overlocking stitch for stretch elastic materials. So now we're all done, and all we have to do is clip off the extra thread and we're done.